Hello guys, today I'm showing you how can I design this design, okay, in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start it. Okay, now first you have to do that. That is, first you have to copy it from here, and that is rectangle tool. Then you just have to do that. Then zoom it into Z. Then shift it, copy it from that. Then you should turn and add this. That's enough. Okay, that's enough. Now you have to copy it from that. Now you have to just alter plus shift. Okay, alter, then just go another copy, alter, then just go another copy, and then just go another copy. That's enough. Other one is backside. Okay, now you have to do that like that. Just need, and then you have to just hold it right like this. Okay, so then you have done it, and now you just have to change your color for eye picker. Now you have to change this color like that. Click I and then change it. That's enough. Okay. You have to uh, go to Anon and print font. Okay, like this. Okay. Then you have to just copy it. Now print font. Everything is like that. Enough. Then you have just copy it and like that. Print font. Enough. Okay. Great. Now last one. Last one is same method. Just follow the rules and print font. That's enough. Now change the, just click I and change the color. Okay, just click I and change the color. Okay, just change the I and change the color. Okay, just have to insert it. Hmm. Now you have to run like this. No, enough. That's enough. Now you can see that, and now you have to is design like this, and like this. Okay. So what I have to do? First, you have to go this, and then polygon tool. Then you have to just copy it. Okay. Now just you have to do that like this, alter like this, alter like this, alter. Okay. And pay weekly. Other thing that you can do, that is design from this and just do it. Bring to bring to now go to the arrange and send backward. Okay. Now you can change the color. That's enough. Now you can see every single things. Okay. Now you understand that. Then you just have to do it like color picker, screen tool, I think. Then just go like this, like this. Just alter and enter. Correct. Enough. Change the color. Okay. No, I think you should copy it from here. That will be great. Like this. Bring to font. Let's go to arrange and bring to font. Okay. Let's done it. Okay, now you have to do it. Click pen tool and then shift it over. Alter and enter. That's correct. Go from here and just do it. Okay. Enough. That's perfect. Now you just copy, shift, just alter, type alter, then just copy it, and then type alter and just copy it from it. Perfect. Then again do that, alter and copy. That's it. And then just change the color. Change the color. Change the color. Change the color. Now change this color. I think done it. I can see that easily and just type it or everything else like that or some design just you just have to see it. Just go and do it as like and just cut it and just click it and mm, I have done it. Now just can do it from this side if you want. So okay, now just bring to font. Just get. Don't do it. Just copy it from that and just go transform and then reflect to 70. Just go reflect. Then go again, just to go reflect. Then again go reflect. Cut it and do it from that side. I think that will look great. Or and just cut it and then click on this and then go done. You want to like this, just you have done it. And now you just copy it and paste it. Just alter, copy, alter, copy. Click it and down it. Enough. You can just go forward and you know just cut it and do it as a paint tool. Okay, not too much. Enough. This will be great. Zoom it. Now you have to just go from that and just copy it and you will run that easily. Okay. So this is my video. You can see that that is now almost done. Just you have to copy it and do it from this. Okay. It's easy. You can do that as you can. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and if you want to do more, just like this video. Thanks for watching.